Hi, Steve. Welcome to the mill. This is Clifford, of course. We're out here. We're out here today discussing some of the major problems that we're having out here. And it's not just the normal problems that you would have, like the ones that we would have if we were just fixing small water leaks or cutting of the grass. This is actually something that we have to take to a next level. So since we're taking it to the next level, we're going to have this conversation with you today. Who I have with me today is Kevin, one of the maintenance guys here.
Morning.
And the issues that we're discussing today is what?
The water leak. We have a serious major water leak here. It's about, the pipe is probably going to be about 3 to 4 feet deep, and it's going to be up under the concrete. So we're going to have to try to dig down and get up under the concrete to see where that leak is coming from.
So what you're telling me is, Kevin, is that we're having a major water leak here. As you can see, what we had done before is we already dug what we call a test hole. The test hole, what it does is actually we dug it down about 3 feet to be able to see how much water is coming out and see if we can find the water leak. Obviously, the water leak is severe enough to where it actually filled it back up, not just with water, but with the soil, and this entire area is completely saturated as it is right now. So if you look right now, you get to see that with what's going on, and see how serious that we're talking about now. Here's what we're going to have to do. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to dig it down about 3 or 4 feet. When we dig it down about 3 or 4 feet, we're going to have to dig down below the grade. And then we're going to have to dig back actually under the concrete until we find where the leak is. The reason we do it this way is more cost effective than digging up all the concrete and hoping that we're getting in the right area. So we dig it back till we find it. Once we find it, hopefully we can repair it from under the concrete without disturbing the top of it. Is that not correct?
Yes, sir, that's correct.
Now, if we have to disturb the top of it, at least it won't be but a very small space, and it's something that we, as maintenance guys, can handle it ourselves. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. We can take care of it.
So the scope of this work we should be able to do, correct?
Yes, sir. We can take care of it.
All right. So this is the first issue that we're going to bring to you today. In just a moment, we're going to bring up and discuss with you issue number 2. All right, Steve? Talk to you in a minute.